Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. What's the one business tool you'd be most upset to lose? For many businesses, that would be Teams. It's loved the world over and was one of the tools we most embraced during the pandemic. Now, 270 million people use it every month. Microsoft keeps making Teams better and better for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Here are 3 updates we're looking forward to. First off, later this month, when you change the name of a Teams channel, the name of its corresponding SharePoint folder will also change to match it. That'll stop you wasting time trying to remember what it used to be called. Then in June, 2 exciting new features will launch. The first will improve Teams calls you make from your browser rather than the Teams app. It should be the same experience with the same features in both. And you'll also have a new Chat with Self feature. You'll be able to send notes, messages, files, and images to yourself. What Teams updates would you like to see next? By the way, if you need any help setting up Teams so it's customized to your business, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.